All right, family, welcome. Let's get started. Today, we're going to dive into how to set up our sway charts. We're going to do from the ground up. Starting here, I want you to go to the left, bottom left right here where it says settings. Let's click on it. From here, you could customize things to your liking. So this is all about preference at this point right here. So for example, we have dark, we have blue, we have light. So let's check on light. You see how it changes. Dark, your background right here is going to stay dark. Blue, it turns blue. All to your liking, family. Also right here, we could do custom colors. This is something you want to play with and see exactly what colors you like for your preference. All right, let's go here to trading. We're not going to touch anything here. We're going to go to confirmations. For me personally, the way it's set up right now, if you go into a trade, it will just automatically enter the trade without asking you to confirm yes or no. So me personally, I like to make a confirmation before I jump into a trade. So here it would ask you, always confirm changes, check. Always confirm new orders, check. Always confirm closes, check. And I go down here for deal ticket. And I do check right here also. Always confirm trading from the following types of widget. Deal ticket, check. Let's go to notifications. I'll make sure these are all checked. New order, order open, check. Order change, order close, and new messages, checked. Let's go down to display. All right, so we're done here. Press save. All right, so from here, let's go up to this gear icon right here. This is your settings gear icon. It's a bit different from your overall settings. All right, so let's click on the gear icon. Let's go to show. These are the things I want to show. Personally, I don't like to see this right here. This is the one-click panel. So if you press this, you're in the trade right away. One click, you're in the trade. Personally, I don't like it. All right, so from show, you could click this off right here, or you could opt to keep it. Totally up to you if you want to keep it. All right, so I got mine off. You see it's disappeared. It's not here anymore. Let's go back to show. I want to show my scroll bar at the bottom. So this scroll bar right here, you're able to move to the left and to the right. I don't like to have this right here on the side. For me, I don't like it. All right, so I'm going to take it off. So show, it says order ladders. I'm taking it off. So for me, it's more clean. It's nothing here, nothing extra here. It's more clean for me. All right, so this is what mine looks like now. All right, I have my scroll bar, show navigation, and I have the order ladders and the one-click panel off. All right, let's go down to settings. Here, you're customizing how you want the look of your charts. All right, background. Once again, you could change the background to whatever color. Let's go down to scales. You could change the text, all that good stuff. Let's go to chart. You change how you want the candles, the colors of the candles, etc. This is something you play with to see your liking, family. All right, let's go to current price. All right, current price. This is what current price looks like. We have this long line right here. I would recommend to keep this line right here. You can show the price line. Yes, no. When you press no, press apply. You see what that looks like? It disappeared. Of course, we want that, right? So yes, apply. Show time remaining. So right now, we don't have the time remaining. Press yes. Press apply. So right now, this is your countdown clock. It shows you how much time you have left in this 1 hour candle. Right now, each of these candles represent 1 hour. This is the timer showing you how much minutes you have left until the new candle opens, and this current candle is going to close. New candle opens. Okay, so those are the two main things right there we want to have right now. Components, watermark. If you want to get the watermark off in the middle, press no, apply. You see how that watermark right there just disappeared. If you want it, you keep it as yes, and it'll stay like this. Now you could change the color, you could change the transparency right here. This is to make it darker, this is to make it lighter. Also, if you want an image, like I have on my live account, I have an OBG image in the background. You could actually put a URL link right here for that image, and whatever image you want will appear in the background as the watermark. All right, I'll drop a pic in this video so you can see exactly what that looks like on my end, but that's totally up to you. All right, let's save this and get up out of here. All right, let's go to the first little icon right here. This is to change your view of your candles. If you want candlesticks, if you want a line view, totally up to you. All right, so let's say you want the line view. This is what the line view will look like. All right, candle, of course, this is what your candles look like. So it's totally up to you what kind of view you're looking for. Let's go here. We have, I think yours will be automatically on arrow that looks like this. It moves it left, right. Also, we have something right here I like to utilize. It's called move. Once you click it, you can actually move your chart just like this. You can move it just like this. All right. So once again, you'll utilize the perfect tool for what you're looking for right there on the chart. You just want to zoom into a certain area. Of course, you could just click the move, and then you could just move it exactly where you're looking at. All right, let's go over here to the next one to the right. This is your indicators. So this is where you're going to add your indicators, family. Press add indicator. From here, you scroll down to the exact indicator you're looking for. So for example, let's go bands. If you like Bollinger Bands and you trade with them, your favorite Bollinger Band right here. Price. Got volume. Got volatility. Got highs and low. All right, we already got our Bollinger Bands. We got trend. If you want to do your EMA, this is where you have your exponential moving average. You could start. You got your fractals, pivot points, oscillator. So if you like your MACD, this is where you favorite it. Momentum, chart widgets, range. This is where you add your indicators, family. All right, let's close this. So now when you go back to your indicator list, you go right here where it says favorites, and you'll see the ones you favorited right here. So you can just click on it really quick. Now let's go to the next icon right here, this pencil. So this is for your drawings. Right here, I want you to press start drawing. And let's favorite our different tools now. So we got geometric. This is where you have your ellipse. So let's favorite the ellipse. Let's favorite the horizontal line, parallel channel, ray, rectangle. Also our vertical line and trend line. So we're gonna favorite these right here. Let's go down to range and see what that is. We got the price range or the date range. Let's do price range. Let's go down to trend. All right, we already got our trend line. That's all we need for this one right here for now. Fibonacci. We're going to do Fibonacci retracements. Got patterns. We're going to leave that for now. Go down to measure. Let's start measure box for right now. And that's it, fam. Let's close this. Let's close it. We go to the pencil now. You see favorites right here, the first one. And these are all the tools that we just favorited right here. All right, so let's show how to utilize some of our tools. Go to the pencil. Let's go to favorites. And for example, let's do the rectangle. Let's say I wanted to highlight this area right here with my rectangle. I'll create the zone, something like this. Color right here, you could pick your color. Let's say I wanted to do a green. You can make the transparency as much or as small as you want. And this is what it will look like. So now if we're waiting for trade to get to this area to take a buy, you just wait for it to get into your green zone and then execute the trade. Personally, I like to utilize TradingView to mark up my zones with my different tools, whether it's a rectangle, parallel channel, trend lines. I personally utilize TradingView. I add a video in here that shows how to utilize the tools and how to set your alerts on the tools so you could jump into trades once you get that alert. All right, so let's take a look at how to take trades. So right here, I want you to click whatever name you see right here. For me, I have US oil currently. Click on it and then select from. And I want you to select market list. From here, we're going to add the instruments we're going to be trading. So Forex majors, let's click that first. We could favorite AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD JPY. All right. You could select all of these if you choose. These are just, for example, the ones I'm selecting. Let's go where it says Forex miners. Let's favorite AUD CAD, AUD JPY. Scroll down. Euro AUD, Euro JPY, GBP AUD, GBP JPY. We'll stop right there. All right, let's scroll over to commodities. This is where we're going to add our US oil. Scroll down to stock indices. We got our DAX, which is our Germany 40, GER 40, star. Scroll down, we got NAS 100, star, SPX 500, UK 100, and US 30. Let's scroll down to metals. And here we have silver, which Alexander's been calling out some crazy plays with silver. So we're definitely going to add silver. And right here at the bottom, we have gold. Let's go with cryptocurrencies. Let's find BTC USD. So this is BTC USD and ETH USD. All right, and that's it. We're going to stop right there, press dismiss. You go back up here, click on it again, and then you see all your instruments that you just favored. They'll be right here. So let's say we taking a trade on Euro AUD. Click Euro AUD. Wait for it to pop up. Actually in a zone right here, this would have been a nice little buy right here. So we're going to take the buy. So right above, this is where you're able to take your trades right here, family. Click right here. It's going to look like this, very simple. I want you to click on this gear option right here, and then I want you to make it full. All right, so now you have the full capability to jump into market execution, or you have limits, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. All right, so for right now, for this example, we're just going to take the trade where it's at. So it's going to be a market execution, put a lot size like a 0.05, and we're taking buys right now for the example. So once you press buy, remember we set up our settings to where it's going to ask you to confirm if this is what you want to do. Press allow, which is yes. And you just took your first trade right there. All right. So right now we're in this trade live. You can see the profits right now. Whenever you jump in a trade, you're never going to be green whenever you jump in a trade. This is the spread. The buy and the sell price, the difference is called that spread. And this is how the broker makes their money. So whenever you jump in a trade and it's red, don't freak out. Why is it red? That's how the broker makes his money. It's a spread fee. So we can go right here where it says trades. You can see a trade right here live. So I'm going to take a few different trades. For example, I'm going to take a few different trades. Let's go back to charts. I'm going to click on a different one. Let's go USD CAD. Also have my EMA. I'm going to take this off right here, EMA. And I'll be looking for, let's say, a sell. Say so market 5. Let's go sell. So now I'm in 2 trades, family. I got to buy with Euro AUD and I got to sell with USD CAD. Let's do one more trade. Let's do Euro AUD. We'll take Euro AUD for a buy. Okay, so now we're in 3 trades. This is my lot size. Remember, your lot size is going to determine the value of the pips. Pips is your movement of price. So based on my lot size, it's going to give me a dollar amount on how many pips this instrument is moving. All right. So for Euro odd, I have a 0.05 lot size. USD CAD, I have a 0.05 lot size. Euro odd, again, I jumped in another buy for Euro odd. 0.10. I'm in 2 Euro odd trades. One is for 0.10, one is a 0.05. Built into this system, we have actually a calculator that shows you how to calculate your pips. So plus sign right here, this is your tools. I already had to save. You go to calculators, and you can star these different calculators that's going to calculate what your pips amount is worth. So for example, stop loss TP calculator, click on it. USD is the currency. Let's say you want to do a percentage of your account. So percentage, you want to risk 2% of your account. Your count is 1684 right now, 1684. The instrument we're trading, let's do Euro odd. I'm trading a 0.10. And this is a buy. Opening price is 1.6536. It tells you right here how many pips, your stop loss distance for 2% hit of your account. All right. So for a 2% hit of your account, you're risking 52 pips. Your stop loss would be right here, 1.6484. That is 52 pips. Take profit is showing you take profit also. If it hits your take profit, this is what 2% would be for your take profit right here. All right. So this gives you exactly how much pips you're risking, 52. And this is how much percent of your account you're risking. 2% of your account is 52 pips if you do a 0.10 lot size risk. All right, so let's go to this now. So we already enter our trades. Let's say you want to put your stop loss and your TP. All right, we go right here to modify. This is modify right here, this little wrench. So we're going to click modify. We could close a trade. We could do partial close. All right, so let's say you want to close the trade 25%, or you want to close it 50%. So for example, we're going to close this trade 25%. Let's see what that looks like. 25%. It's going to ask me if that's what I want to do. It's going to tell me it's going to close 0.03 lots of my original 0.10. It's going to close 0.03. Allow. All right. Now it's been changed. Now it went from a 0.10 to a 0.07. All right. So I closed 25% of my trade. Let's go down here. From here, we could edit. We can view to edit our trade directly. So from here, we can edit and put our stop loss directly and our TP directly and press change. Let's go back. Here we have stop loss and TP. You could just put it, you don't have to go to edit. You could just put it directly here. So for example, stop loss. If I want my stop loss to be 20 pips, all right? So stop loss, 20 pips. Allow. And look, my stop loss now is automatically placed right here, 20 pips. And it tells me how much money I'm risking if it hits my stop loss. So if my stop loss gets hit, this is minus $11.10. All right, let's go back. Stop loss. We could actually put the price for the stop loss. So let's say I wanted to go lower. All right, let's say I wanted to do 1.6500. All right, currently my stop loss right now is at 1.6511. I want it to be 11 pips lower. All right, so I could put it right here, press enter on my keyboard. It's going to ask me to allow. Yes. And look how our stop loss changed. So now we have a bigger risk. The risk now is $16.45 if it hits my new stop loss. Same concept for TP, family. We go to TP. We could do a 50 pip TP. Allow. So now it tells me what my profit would be if it hits TP, which is $20.30 for 50 pips. Or I could go in there and enter an actual price. All right, I could enter an actual price. So this is the TP right here. This is the TP price. And let's say I wanted to do 1.6620. Press enter, allow. This will change now. This will be the new TPs about to change. And this is the total profit I will gain if it hits this new TP that I created. All right. So right now I'm risking $16.45 to win $37.92. So that's roughly a little bit over a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. All right. Risk to reward ratio. I'm risking 1 to win 2. I'm risking $16.45 to win $37.92. So that's a little bit over 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, family. And that's how you set up and edit your TP, your stop losses. You can also, here we have break even. So let's say I was in profit in this trade. Let's say I was up $20 in this trade and I want to protect my pocket. I want to make sure this is a risk-free trade so I could go to sleep, go to work with a peaceful mind, knowing at worst case scenario, if this trade reverses on me, I'll leave this trade broken even. So it's no loss to me on my end. All right, you click right here, press break even, allow, all right? And now our TP is our original open price. So if this trade comes back up to our original price where we enter the trade, it will knock me out this trade and I'll have $0. All right. This is called break even. All right. So this is how we enter our trades, family. This is how we enter our trades. This is how we modify our trades. Very simple. All right. Let's say we want to close everything right now. I'm like, all right, you know what? I'm up. All my trades are up. Let's say $200, $300, and I want to close everything. You can go right here where it says tools. Click on tools, all orders, and I just want to close everything. You press this, you'll close everything right here. All right. Or let's say you want to close losing trades right here. You close all your losing trades. If you want to close all your winning trades, I don't have any winning trades right now. If I had winning trades, I could click right here and close all my winning trades. All right. If you want to partial close, you could partial close your trades. Once again, if all of your trades are winning and you want to take 50% profit from all your trades, take 50%. Same concept. If you want to break even with all your trades, you could do it right here. But right now, for this example, we're going to close all of these trades. So go to all orders. Let's say I'm up $300. I'm getting ready to go into work. I say, you know what? I want to take my money. I want to enjoy my day. No big deal. It didn't hit my TP yet, but I'm happy with my profits. You go right here that says close all. It's going to tell you all of them is closing and press allow. Just like that, family, you close all your trades, made your money, and now you can go and enjoy the rest of your day. All right, like I mentioned before, family, I do all my alerts, all my markups right here on TradingView. All right, so for example, if I'm looking at this area right here for a buy, and I get my rectangle, and I said if price comes back down to this little spot right here, I'll be looking for a buy. Right? Price comes back down here, I'm looking for a buy. I got my little zone right here. I can mark it up with my horizontal ray also. This will be my aggressives up top. Aggressive. Aggressive. This could be my modest, or you can have your modest right here in the middle. Totally up to you. And stop loss will be right below it. All right. Something like that. I'm just giving you a quick example. All right. We also have our GAN box. All right. If you're on our team leaders calls, you know, we would utilize our GAN box, for example. So a GAN box will be from the top. wick to the bottom wick. This will be your 50%. All right, so this could be my 50% buy. We're going to change this to green because we're looking for buys right now. So everything's going to be green, family. All right, so this is what it will look like, something like this. All right, let's say we want to set our alert. I'm waiting for price to come down here to jump into these buy trades. All right, so I will set alert somewhere here. Add alert. Name will be buy. You could do it once. You could do it every time it gets to this zone right here, this area. Every time price gets to this area right here, the alert will go off. So I'm going to do every time. And right here, you could either put crossing, you could put cross down. So crossing down, every time price crosses down this line, it's going to give me alert. So press create. And I just set my alert right now. So price is coming down. This is, I got set this. It could be 2 days, 3 days from now. Price comes down. Once it crosses this line, my alert is going to go off. So I'm going to get to this chart and I'm going to prepare myself to jump into this trade for a buy. So that's one alert we could set. Another alert will look like this. Let's go to our channel. We're going to create a channel. It's going to look something like this, our channel. Our channel will look something like this. You could actually do an alert on your channel. So it says add alert on parallel channel, which I really enjoy this feature. Because now you can set the alert entering the channel or exiting the channel, or inside or outside of the channel. You decide. So let's say we're going to do exit in the channel or enter in the channel. Let's do enter in the channel. Put your alert name. I'll put ready. To do once per minute. You could set these different things and you could actually start to get a feel of how these alerts work for these different tools. All right. So create. So now if price goes outside of this channel, once it comes back in to the channel, you'll get that alert. All right. You see this little blue? This is your alert right here on the whole channel itself. So if price comes out, once it enters, you'll get an alert. All right, let's edit this. Let's say you want an alert for it exiting. Save. Anytime price exit this channel, the alert will go off. All right, so that's how it works.